How to view Lyft ride receipts. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to view the receipt of the rides that you have selected, don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto U button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find ride history. Tap on it. So from here, simply choose the ride for which you want to see the receipt. Tap view receipt to see the ride's details. For now you can see I don't have any rides, that's why it is showing no rides yet. And if you had took the ride, simply choose one and tap on to view receipt. And after doing that, you can simply see the receipt of your ride. And that's it. This is how you can view Lyft ride receipts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.